Hey, this is the little blue skiff. I am checking out Dinky Dock in Winter Park after Hurricane Milton. So I brought you to the boat ramp that I've launched at, and I'll walk down there and then show you a video of what it looked like before the storm. So here we go. It's definitely flooded. And they've closed the chain of lake, so there's no boats out here right now. Yeah, this is probably, you can see the main dock where I've launched the boat is completely underwater. Almost. And you can see back here the gate to the dock is closed. So no boating today, but just checking out the docks.